In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reuse the same background across multiple images in PhotoRoom. Open your browser and head to photoroom.com, then log into your account so you can save and export your work. From the main dashboard, choose Create a Design. This opens the workspace where you'll prepare your first image. Next, click Select Photos and choose the first image you want to edit from your computer. Once the image loads, select Remove Background. PhotoRoom will automatically cut out the subject, which gives you a clean base to place on any background. This is the key step that makes your results look polished and consistent. Now set the background you want to reuse. Click Background, then choose Image. Upload the background file you want to keep using across all your images. This could be a branded texture, a studio wall, or any design that matches your style. Using the same file ensures the exact color, lighting, and composition carry over from image to image, which is great for storefronts, listings, and social media grids. When it looks right, click Download to export the image. Choose your preferred format and save it to a dedicated folder so you can keep all matching outputs together. Consistent file names can help you stay organized, especially if you're producing a series. To apply the exact same background to another photo, repeat the process. Click Select Photos again and upload your next image. Use Remove Background to isolate the subject, then go back to Background and select Image. Upload the same background file you used before. Because you're bringing in the identical file, the backdrop remains perfectly consistent across your set. This helps your audience focus on the subject, keeps your brand cohesive, and speeds up your workflow. Once you're satisfied, click Download to export the second image. Continue this pattern for as many photos as you need. The important thing is to reuse the same saved background file each time, rather than picking a similar one. That way every output matches precisely in tone and texture. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Store your background file in an easy-to-find folder, give it a clear name, and back it up so you can return to it later. If you're working in batches, it helps to gather all your source photos in one place before you start. And that's it. By following these steps, you can reuse the exact same background across multiple images quickly and consistently.